Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change cell color in Google Sheets based on text input. Let's get started. First of all, apply rule on select out status data format tab conditional formatting and use custom formalize and type or cells type complete and select complete color. Okay, and apply rule 2, click another rule or again select go to format tab conditional formatting B2 select and type incomplete. Select color red. Again add another rule. Type pending color yellow. Click. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.